Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Another video, number 20, I believe, on beginners. It's not going to be about any tool. It's going to be about YouTube. I mentioned in all these videos I've made, the other 19, that I have a video on that. And I have a couple of videos on how to find the videos, but I thought I'd put them on this new segment for beginners. So if you're on my channel, Doug Green, inside this window, there's two magnifying glasses. Search venues. This one will search all of YouTube. This one will only search my channel. And if you want to learn how to weld, just type in weld and hit enter. Every place where I put weld in the title or a tagline, it'll get you the weld tool. Just like the beginner, the beginner series. If you want to go back to the home, and there's some beginner videos right there.
Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks for beginners.
You don't have to put
This
in the
is
part,
number
just take beginner
18.
and copy.
We've gone through all the tools in the toolbox.
Go
We've gone from
to my magnifying glass and type the paste in the beginner or type in the beginner. There's all the beginner videos that I've made in just recently, plus some other ones that I might have put beginner in the first. There's 18, 11, 14. They're not in really a particular order. I might have put beginner in one of the taglines on this. So that's how you find a beginner. If you want to, I just mentioned macros. If you want to type in macro, and learn how to do a macro that saves you time, how to funny macros, add an item to your logo, Monster Macros, which is a macro company that makes macros, and Roy Brewer's Resize Circle, Yellow Box macro for in one keystroke, and on and on. You can just macro. Every tag word that I have the word macro in, and I don't, it doesn't matter what it is. I can't even think anything off my, like if you want to learn how to make a clock, there's a clock pattern, face numbers for a clock, late clock, face angles, magnetic gear clock, paint and replace for a clock, and on and on. So, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.